Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Honor Magic V3. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now you have to select this application and click install. And now you can click open, then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad, and now you can click allow and click consent. Now you have to click on this button to start your VPN and then click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.